Hey yo everybody, so this is how I've lost $292 in 28 minutes trading Nasdaq, okay? I've recorded this video literally 5 fucking times because I always forget something. As you guys can see here, this is a loss. I'm a bit tilted today, that's maybe why. I don't know why I'm tilted, maybe could have managed the second trade a bit more, but I'm not tilted. I think it's not because of the model itself. So let's go over what's happening. So let's just go over the chart. So let me just remove all of this. Let's go over to the daily. Okay, so first of all, as per usual, we go over the daily, and so we closed above the daily gap, right? And we have been accumulating on the 4-hour ever since. We have then taken the 4-hour lows inside of the gap and the accumulation lows. So I was expecting price to go and take the 4-hour highs and the 4-hour gap right here. Standard practice for accumulation, then retracement, then continuation. So I was expecting for the day something like this: accumulation, sweeps the lows, closes above, retracement, goes back up. The only thing I failed to note is that we did not close above the previous daily high. We did not. Okay? And so this was a very big information that I did not take in consideration, because I was really expecting for price to expand. Like the closures after NFP was so beautiful, and so yeah, that's why I did not take the long. That's why I was just expecting in my mind just a continuation, and I did not pay attention to other information. So here I literally just longed. I was gonna long on this gap here, not the first. Why? This is premium of the first is premium of the range, okay? And we have a devil's mark right here. This almost always gets retraced too, so I would never long above a devil's mark. That's retarded. Quite literally retardation. To long above a devil's mark. But yeah, and so there was no gap here, so no longs here. But I would have waited for the devil's mark after we took it. We took it here, but there was no 1 minute order flow there. So we just came down all the way down. And so now I was looking for shorts, but I was like still a bit. If we literally just took the highs and reacted low, what makes it that we don't take the lows and react high? Like, what's the point of shorts? So I was not sure, but I was waiting for at least like 50% to at least take a retracement move from the 50%. And so this was what I took here. 50% of this range, 15 minute 50%, 55 minute 50% as well. And so as soon as we dumped here, I took my short here, okay? Stop loss over this high. Right here, and literally it was just an instant loss. I trailed to here because we failed this like 3 times, got stopped out here. Second trade, I think this is a valid trade. Honestly, I'll take every day of the week. The only issue here is that the day is really shitty. It's really accumulating. It's not high probability, and that's the only thing that would make it like less probable for me. Less of a good trade. Second here, we took all this size and then like literally went lower. So I would have put my stop loss right here. And this would have been a winning trade of 175. But high FOMO in, I don't know why, market order, because in my mind it would be like, I have data that market orders never work on this type of model. It only works on the 4-hour, 5 minute. But yeah, we literally, what happened here was literally took the size right here. Quite literally, and I was expecting price to like pick up the pace here in volume, and so that's why I've literally chased a bit instead of entering where I should have. And look here, could have at least done like I could have at least like did the 0.9 stop loss. This would have been like, yeah, still not a good trade, but yeah. Okay, and so this was a trade, and I managed, as soon as I see the reaction here on the 5 minutes, I trailed and got stopped out here. And that was what happened. And then I got tilted because if I had done things correctly, if I had done the limit order right here, with the stop loss either here on 0.9, this would have been a 1.75 trade or a 2-hour trade. So could have been a winning day, and I fumbled it. So yeah, a bit tilted because of that. Other than that, it's not that bad of a day. But yeah, I could have also after this leg, and I could and re-entered right here, and I was so tilted that I did not do it. Actually, I could have re-entered right here. Damn. Okay, I didn't see that until now. So yeah, not a good day. It's a perfect day to go back to the gym. I've already gone to the gym, but I think I'm going again just to get this energy off me. Because yeah, it's obviously, I don't know why I'm tilted. It's maybe poor sleep, maybe just overall, I don't know. But just the price action. But what this does give us in terms of good things is that we've had 2 accumulation days. So tomorrow is probably a very, very good day. Very high probable day. So tomorrow is probably a good day to let the market run, honestly, or the trade run. So we'll see about that tomorrow. But yeah, overall, very shitty week. Just accumulation yesterday, accumulation today again, and could have done it better, could have managed it better. I did not. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.